Hello, Namaste and Jai Hind. Welcome to DAD Think Labs, DAD online classes. And this is Rich Kumar introducing to you the India's biggest design community, that is Design Awareness Drive. So Design Awareness Drive has taken up the objectives of National Design Policy and Atal Tinkering Labs to create innovative and quality education system in design. So basically, Design Awareness Drive has created a very special model that is completely online, and you can stay at home and prepare for your design abilities and design career right away, right there.
देश के सबसे बड़े डिजाइन समुदाय में आपका स्वागत है। डीएडी परिवार का एक हिस्सा बनने के लिए आज ही रजिस्टर करें और डिजाइन जागरूकता अभियान के सभी साधनों का इस्तेमाल करें। वेलकम टू द इंडियाज बिगेस्ट डिजाइन कम्युनिटी। रजिस्टर ऑफिशियली टू बी अ डीएडी मेंबर एंड यूटिलाइज ऑल द रिसोर्सेज ऑफ डिजाइन अवेयरनेस ड्राइव।
So people who are going to take up design in schools from the basics, or people who are going to take design as a long-term career in their long run, these students will be guided by DAD mentors on YouTube and their own official portal. So basically last year we had only YouTube with us, and this year we have came up with the more organized, the biggest portal of India, and where we are giving you all the classes free of cost and paid. So basically in our portal we are going to provide you with exclusive classes with all the mentors. You have the drives, you have the library, we have several videos, we have assignments, we have worksheets, we have everything. I mean, we are working with you, we are making you prepare for your long run career. So basically in this portal we are going to give you each and everything that is required to run a class physically. So you can say, if you see the portal, you can very well make sure and you can understand that how DAD has succeeded in taking out a complete physical model of a classroom, how you do assignments, how you do your attendance sheets, how you follow your logbooks, how you follow your mentors, how you show your assignments, how you take the feedbacks in different modes. Everything is there, and you can see how a completely physical model of a classroom has been kept and online, and that is going to help you guys to prepare you for a long run career. So what makes special and what makes DAD so special? So basically in this 1 year of preparatory course that is known as Basics of Design and Foundation course, quality education course, you will be provided with a certification in Basics of Design and Foundation. We are not focusing only on the results, and we don't talk about results because the results are anyway the byproducts of what you are going to study, and those things are going to make you very, very, very confident and strong to crack whichever examination you are aspiring for. When we talk about higher education in India, we see that NIFT, NID, UCEED, SEED, FDDI, and these colleges are the only colleges which are available in India on national level, like as a tag of Center of Excellences, and we make you strong enough to enter this college with flying colors and make your career in the long run. So please stay connected, stay tuned to DAD, and after this particular video, today only we are going to give you the starting class, and this is the first launching class, and the first class which is going to be given to you available on YouTube. And for detailed explanation of the classroom and for the assignments and worksheets and all, please visit our website www.niftiduceed.com, and you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram group on 9304516169. We have an open group in Telegram where you need not pay any membership fee, and to join us as a member you can also pay a membership fee of ₹1000 per year. So right away, right there, we will be waiting for you, and our resources are open for you. Please stay tuned, please take a biggest advantage of whatever we are providing. I think that would be more than enough to make your career in long run in design. So please stay tuned. Jai Hind.